Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, now it is time for creative art. Today we have this stand creating and executing the stand which you have been learning. Then today we are going to look on modeling play slab with the Solfa syllables. And this is just a theory lesson. In this theory lesson we will give to you instruction. I am teacher Peter Kilonzi. Today I am teaching you grade 4 East, and today is 4th March 2025. We are using Mentor Creative Art Learners Book page 5, page 76 to page 77. Are we together, learners?
Yes.
Now before we begin our lesson, I want you to listen to this video.
Okay, so we've already learned how to sing the notes Do and Re. Today, let's add on Mi.
Do, re, mi. So, remember, do is strong. Do, re, one step up feels like it's moving away from do. Do, re. And now, mi, up another step, feels very stable. Do, re, mi. Strong, moving, stable. Do, re, mi.
Huh, is it literally that easy?
Yep. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi, mi. Mi, mi, re, re, do, do, do. Do, re, mi, mi. Mi, re, do, do.
Hannah, I have a question.
Just before we continue, I want you to look on that one.
Mi, re, mi, do, re, do, mi, re.
Now let's try this one together. Do, do. Listen to me first. Do, do, re, mi, mi. Mi, re, do. Let me have one person who will try. One person who want to try. Yes. What's your name? Yes, Emmanuel Kisaka. Try. Come near. Yes. Very good. Let us do like this. One clap to Kisaka. Very good for that child. Okay. Now I want you to
Do, do, re, mi, re, do.
Hannah, I have a question. We've been using words like strong, moving, and stable to try and convey how these notes feel when we sing them, which I get helps with pitch and intonation, but it's all very abstract, you know?
Well, singing is an abstract thing, but if you want help visualizing the different pitches...
Now I want you to see, we look on this 3-note notation, isn't it?
Yes.
So we have do, re, mi. Let's repeat.
Do, re, mi.
Repeat.
Do, re, mi.
Very good, boys and girls. Now we continue from where we left our video.
You should check out the tonic Solfa hand signs.
The what now?
So, back in the 19th century, this guy, John Kerr, do, re, mi.
Cool, so Do is strong, like a fist, and it's low down. Re is moving away from Do, and Mi is stable, so it's flat.
Now, using those hand signs, using the 3 hand signs. Now, let's look at this one. This one is
Do, re, mi.
Let's repeat.
Do, re, mi.
Now, using these three notes or the notation, we have the hand sign. The hand sign. Are we together? Whereby we are saying do, do. Let us do together. Do. Everyone. Do. Repeat. Do. No, we were here, isn't it? We were around there. My laptop had some issue. We were here, isn't it? Yes. Do. Repeat. Do. Re. Repeat. Re. Mi. Let's repeat. Do. Re. Mi. Solfa ladder. Are we together?
Yes.
Solfa ladder, you can see it has this notes. Let's say together.
Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi.
Now again we should go downward. When starting from me. Let's do together.
Mi, re, do.
Repeat.
Mi, re, do.
Good. Now, in that note that you have seen there in Solfa ladder, the three of them are the one which we are going to model after this lesson using clay. Are we together, boys and girls?
Yes.
So, as we model, one thing you need to know about when we are modeling. Now, this one you can note down. You can note down in your exercise book. When you are modeling, there are two techniques used to make sulfur syllables using clay. There are two techniques. And these two techniques is, one of them is making slab. And the other one is making coil. Now, coils and ball. Now, in our case today, as we are making the syllable, the notes, that we have seen in that sulfur ladder, we are going to use this technique, slab technique. Are we together? Are we together, boys and girls?
Yes.
So we will use the slab technique, as you can see. Are we together?
Yes.
Now we go to the next. Then you'll note down later. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Now when we are making those clay slab, when we are making the clay slab, now we will use this material. We have first one, this here, the boys,
Ruler.
girls, holding papers,
Holding
girls,
Pen.
boys,
Pens.
girls,
Paintbrush.
paint brushes. So these items are the one which we are going to use when we are doing the the clay slab technique, when we are modeling the notation. And what are the notation that we are going to model? One of them, raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Yes. Do. Very good. Let's give her some flowers, flowers, a clap. Another one. Re. Flowers, flower, clap. And the last one which we'll model. Yes.
Me.
Me. Very good. A flowers, a clap. And the material that we are going to use are this one. Are we together? Again, which technique are we going to use?
Slab.
Raise up your hand. Yes, tell us. Slab technique or making slab. Very good, very good. Let us give him thumbs up, thumbs up. Very good, very good. Okay. Now, we have the procedure for making the slab. Now, the first procedure of making clay slab. One of them prepare your clay by kneading to make it smooth. And you can see in this picture that there is a boy who is kneading using the hand. He is kneading the clay. He has mixed soil with water, the clay soil with water, and he is kneading. Are we together?
Yes.
After that, another procedure, cut a lump of clay and place it on a polythene paper. There's a lump of clay. After he finished kneading, he cuts that one piece and put it on polythene, and you can see there in that picture. Then after that, we have C. What is C saying? Read.
Take a rolling pin and roll your clay.
Take a rolling pin. A rolling pin. A rolling pin. It is just an error there, pen. It's supposed to be pin. And the spelling for pin, the rolling pin is P-I-N. Rolling pin. P-I-N. Are we together?
Yes.
Then you roll your score, your clay. You can see there's a rolling pin there and a piece of clay for rolling. Then D, what is saying?
Mark out the rectangular shapes of different sizes.
Some are reading very slow, others very fast. So you mark out the rectangular shapes of different sizes. You mark them. And what are you using to mark? Remember we said that there are some materials up there. In those materials, which will you use to mark? In those materials that are displayed there. Yes. One of them is the ruler. Are we together? We will use that one to mark. Are we together, boys and girls?
Yes.
Now, after marking different sizes, what do? You cut out the lump of clay and roll even sized coil using the hand. Now you roll like this, and you can see we have these lumps of clay which has been downward, which has been rolled. Are we together? Now after that, apply slip on the slab and lay the roll as shown. Now you put what? The slip on the slab. Then you roll as you lay the roll as shown. You can see now he applied some slip, isn't it? Using what? What is this? To our material, yes. Paint, very good, very good. A clap to her. He applied, then he lays. Now these rolls that even sized roll, you lay them on that area that you have applied using paintbrush. Then after that, you attach other rolls to mark do, re, mi as shown below. Now we have that picture now. Do, re, mi. Now, after that, allow the coin to dry. Show your work to the class. After that, you allow the roll to do what? To dry. You dry them under a shade. Then you show the work to the class. You have molded those notes. Do, re, mi. Are we together? Now, what have you learned today? What have you learned today? If you are asked what have you learned today, what will you say? What have you learned today? You come here and tell what you have learned. What did you learn today? I have learned that, or I have learned blah blah. Yes.
I have learned
How to make a Solfa ladder. You have learned about Solfa ladder. Very good. A clap to Tisaka. What else have you learned? Yes? What have you learned? Try. You are allowed. Yes, what you have learned. Yes. Just stand there. You are there. You are okay.
I learned
I've learned.
about do re mi.
Yes, very good. Flowers like this. Flower. Let's give you flowers. Very good. He has learned do, re, mi. Very good. What else have you learned today? What else have you learned today? Yes.
I learned song of do re mi.
How to hand sign. Remember we did some hand sign, eh? Do, re, mi. Let's do together. Do, re, mi. Repeat. Do, re, mi. Good. So he has learned those hand signs of do, re, mi. Okay. Now, with that, this is the end of the today's lesson. I am your facilitator, Peter Kilonzi, the CBC teacher. This lesson is also recorded. So, if you have smartphone from your parent, you can search Peter Kilonzi, the CBC teacher in YouTube. You search Peter Kilonzi, the CBC teacher in the YouTube, and then you will see that one. You will see the whole lesson and how you are singing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.